brothers and sisters, very happy new year to all of you. This year, of course, I strongly believe it, being very energetic, the animal, and also very peaceful animal. I think definitely I believe it very strongly, the year of course going very peaceful, happy and prosperous year. May the Buddha Dhamma Sangha bless our upon each and every one of your wonderful wishes to come true by the power of the Buddha Dhamma Sangha. May the blessings shower upon each and every one. I'm going to chant one sutra for the well-being, for happiness for every one of you. Thank you. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato Samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato Samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato Samma sambuddhassa. Abhivadena silissa nityam vadhapachayino chattaro dhamma vadhanti ayuvanno sukhang balang Ayurarogya sampatti Sagga sampatti mivaca Ato nibbana sampatti Imminati samijjatu.